Hi Candace, I wanted to show you how to use the system now. I think you're going to find that it's extremely easy to maintain the site. So what I want you to do is I want you to type in or click on the link that I sent you. Eventually, your site, you'll be able to get to this area by typing in Genesis Farms Jacks / administrator or / administrator, and it's going to get you to this page. So what I want you to do is use that username and password I sent you and go ahead and log into the back end. This is what's called the control panel. When you log in, it's going to default to this every single time. Where you're going to be most of the time is right here where these zoo icons are. It's going to typically open up to the quick icons, but you're mainly going to need the zoo. That's where all of the pages that you're going to be dealing with are located for the most part. I will go ahead and show you on the quick icons first, where the media manager is, which holds all your images, and where articles are, which are typically where your static pages are located. So let's first go to the media manager. The media manager is just that. It's an area where you keep your PDFs, you keep your images, everything in here and categorized. You can see I've already categorized some things for you under the names of, Clyde and Prince and all of them, Genets, Mayors, PDFs, sales, and students. And if you see, like under PDF, there's the PDFs. And under, let's say, mayors, there's the mayors. And you can even create your own folders by clicking here and typing the name that you want, and then hit create folder. So you can create subfolders within there if you want. I didn't do that. I didn't know how you want it done. So you can go ahead and start doing that now, or reorganizing if you want to. Now, from there, we're going to go back to the control panel. And now I'm going to show you the article manager. You don't have very many on there. Obviously, most of your site is run through those other icons that I was talking about that I'm going to go through with you. But here you can see, actually, I don't even think I use Clyde, Prince, and Ray anymore. I think I pull them in a different way. But, so I'm probably going to eliminate those. So we're not going to look at those right now. But your front page, your welcome screen, that is found here. And if you click on it, what it does is it opens up a what you see is what you get editor. Just like you have in Word or any of those other programs that you may have on your computer. So it's very easy to manage. Just highlight things and you can change colors and bold it, things like that. The only main thing you really need to know about in here is if you want to add an image. All you do is you put your cursor where you want the image to go. Click this image button. And what it does is it opens up the media manager for you. And you can find an image. Let's say we're going to put Prince there. Click on Prince, and then you can align it left or right, and then you insert it. It's as easy as that. You can also notice that you can load up images from here as well. If we click on image again, and let's say you forgot to load it in the media manager, all you have to do is go down here where it says upload file, click browse, find the image that you want. Let's see, do I have an image I can load up in there? As you can see, I have way too many things on here. Let's just do something for fun. And then you'd hit start upload, and it would load it up in here. So that's easy enough. Always remember, let me get back in there to show you something. Always remember to work within the system. meaning don't use your back browser on your web browser. Don't use that button. Use all these buttons up here. Periodically, make it a habit to hit save every now and then, because you may be working on something and someone may call you or may come in and see you and you forget to do that. It will kick you out of the system. It does not save your changes if you have not hit the save button. So you could lose a lot of time if you don't periodically save your work. Believe me, I have learned this the hard way. So just make sure you save every now and then. And if you do get a phone call, make it a habit of going ahead and save and close and get out of there. That way you don't have to worry about making any mistakes, any costly mistakes like I've had. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to end this tutorial, and then I will start a second one that will show you how to use what's called the zoo icons.